Ka wadhi nyime wayudo ni riwruok mar jopuonj mar Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT orwako kang' ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kawo mar gwelo Julius Ogamba kaka jatend migao mar somo, ka kata kamano ginyiso Ogamba mondo obed motang' kaluwore gi midhiero ma sani okwako piny Kenya. Jagoro mar KNUT Collins Oyu onyiso Ogamba mondo onyis kit telo makare kendo okel lokruok e sekta mar somo, kendo nyaka otim ikruok makare kapok odonjo e migao no. Oyu ne wuoyo kinde romo ma ibago higa ka higa e sikund primar ma Nyasanda sub-county ma Ugunja, kama ne gijiwo Ogamba mondo obed thuolo mar somo, paro mar neno ni ochopo dwach jo Kenya sekta mar somo kendo tiyo makare ne jopiny.
Education sector is not a walk in the park. It is difficult. We've seen CSs, ministers come and go, and we've rated the performance every other time. It is not something simple, and majorly because matters education is basically funding. If the government cannot release proper funds to man education as a sector, and you can also see matters of capitation. Look at what heads are going through, heads of institutions in primary. Capitation has not come. This is a sector that is run in a three-way traffic. The parents must see themselves to be satisfied, the learners must be satisfied, and the controllers here, the fulcrum, where the teachers, must be satisfied. The most complicated and the most expensive ministry so far. So it is upon him to make a very quick decision, come to us as serious, not as a serious stakeholder. So let the CS get prepared. Let the CS have his socks already pulled up. It's a question of starting and then you're told, pull up your socks. Come into this ministry when your socks are already pulled up and your sleeves are already rolled to start work. We want success in this sector.